Cruel starts space flight, increases pop, upgrades a mine, builds knights, and gets classical army, putting him at 25 strength. Next up is Manish, who gets computers and upgrades them, picks up efficient upgrade, and adopts defensive army, putting him at 36. And Gardir is up. He reveals Politics of Strength, giving Manish 5 cards. Gets Bill Gates, increases pop. Oh, sorry, disbands a warrior to get a lab, and then develops organized religion, fixes his happiness, and gets patriotism. So I'm up, and I'll be honest, the situation is pretty bad. I might end up fourth in this game, which is pretty embarrassing. So I think we want to offer a peace treaty to someone, so we have some points. And I suspect that person is gonna be Manish. Before we go there, um, so I can't get another movies because I need to fix my food issue, which means that even if I go reserves and urban growth, I am one or short, which is pretty disastrous. And and there's no yellows here, and my sign is pretty bad. So I think my turn is gonna be get the military theory going, and I got the meeple, and I'm going to fix the food situation. Um, and actually build some military. So I'm at 46, which means next turn I might be able to play aggression on someone, either raid, even better. It might be armed intervention, or maybe plunder. And let's see. If I raid Cruel and blow up his two alchemies, I will get six, and then I can build the movies. Um, so this might be the way to go. So I do want to offer a peace treaty to someone. That someone's not gonna be cruel, but I think it's gonna be Manish, cause I don't see how I'm attacking him. It's pretty high on points. Um, and from a metagaming perspective, um, the one person who threatens me here in the league is Gardir. So I prefer to help Manish and hope Gardir goes to second place. So let's do this. Offer a peace treaty to Manish, and then bump up my military a bit, and hope I can somehow catch up with Cruel, which is gonna be tough with the 13 points he's getting from Spacelight. But we'll see. Yeah, I think I'm going for third now, which is pretty sad. What a sad game. Manish rejects the peace treaty, so he just passed on 3 points. Very confusing. Okay, so let's go according to the plan we've done before. Rebuild the military, fix the irrigation, and for my last action, get something cheap. There's a chance I can get one mechanized agriculture. Mechanized agriculture or professional sports. Um, what is left in the deck? Just two reserves, so it doesn't really matter. And upgrading mechanized agriculture is gonna cost me 6, and upgrading, no, sorry, it's gonna cost me 4, and upgrading organized sports is gonna cost me 4 as well, right? Yeah, so either one is gonna cost me 4. Sure. Let's take the mechanized agriculture. Although if I do get a war, then the professional sports could become 2 more points on the last turn of the game. And I guess Kroll could get Air Forces to upgrade his military. Um, yeah, but I am going to need to fix the food situation if I want to increase population 2 more times. So let's go with that. This food situation was much more painful than I expected. I should have gotten an irrigation like 2 turns sooner, so I can bank 2 more food, and that would have allowed me to get the movies now. So that's gonna be the turn. The dearth of yellows is quite painful. Okay, we got an impact of technology, which is gonna give me 12 points, and yeah, so we might see that, and impact of variety, which I'm probably not gonna play, and the impact of government. Right now I'm ahead on it, so let's see what the others do with their government. I might play this impact of government or this impact of technology, although both of them have quite a lot of science, so probably not gonna happen. And I have 2 aggression raids. The plan right now is really to raid Cruel next turn. Hope he doesn't buff up his military. How many of the H3 defense cards we saw? Only one. So if the military stays as it is now, he's gonna need 3 H3 defense cards to dodge a raid. Hopefully it doesn't, and I can get another movies, which is going to be worth 8 points. Unless these guys finish the game, which seems unlikely. So there's 3 more turns left. And if I get another move the next turn, then I'm going to get 39 points, putting me at 62, which is probably still last place because Core is going to get his space flight. Oh, I do have the impact of population, so it's not over yet. I'm gonna get the yeah, it's not over yet. I might still be third. Highly unlikely I get second, but it's possible. We'll see.